Welcome back, creative, and welcome to today's tutorial. I hope we are ready to invest our time in today's logo design tutorial. And in today's video we will be making use of a different app, which is Vector Ink, as we can see in the video description. I guess this app might be new to most of us, and so in one word, let me define what Vector Ink is. According to me, Vector Ink is a simplified mobile version of Adobe Illustrator. I know most of us know Adobe Illustrator, which is always used to design a logo and other stuff. I hope you're getting it. For mobile phone users, this Vector Ink is for mobile phone users, and it's for us to ease the stress of running for a PC before we can design a top-notch logo. And so here it is. We'll be going for our first Vector Ink usage to design a C+R logo. So creative, kindly pay close attention and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Adeytife TV, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when another video is being uploaded. And mind you, don't forget to like this video also and share, as well as comment your thoughts on this video, and let's hear a review from you. So let's get into this. So here is it, guys. Once you open your Vector Ink, you click on this add button on this workspace, and let's wait for this to load. So here we pick our document size. Here we have to pick 700 by 700 pixel size. So we click on the defaults. Let's use our both hands to reduce this, and from here we click on these three dots up here, and scrolling here we click on import for us to import the logo we are going to use. We are creating a C+R logo in Vector Ink. So here is it. Here we have it. So let's click on this and click on this clip button and increase this. So clicking on this, also let's align this to the middle. And right here, let's click on our layers, click on the settings, reduce the opacity a little bit, and click on save. Yes, let's lock this and add another layers. So click on the cancel button. So the new layer is what we are going to use now. So let's go to our shapes and click on, tap it again, click on circle, increase this and lock this, and let's draw our circle. Clicking on that, let's click on our selection tool and adjust this circle. Having this right here, let's lock this again and adjust this. One more time. Now perfectly adjusted. So let's use our hand to zoom this out a little bit, and we copy this circle that is already selected, and let's move it while still locked. Let's move it to the other side again, so have the same perfect shape. So the next thing for us to do here is to click on the circle again, click on copy. Copying this, let's reduce this a little. If you notice something, it's wrote duplicated, that means it has been copied already. So let's click on this centered, align, and let's reduce this to the middle. I hope you see that. So copying that again, and we move this right here. Not perfectly moved. Let's zoom this out and make sure this is well moved and aligned as well. Let's off this. Let's off the snapping, so for us to have a perfect shape of this. Yeah, correct. So let's open our snapping again. We have that. Let's click on back and let's do zoom this out again. So the next thing is to go back to our shapes, tap it again and click on this line. So let's zoom this out and draw a straight line that connects both together. So going back again, let's go to our selection tool, click out of this and zoom this out. So let's click on this, bring this back a little, and let's off our snapping again. We need to bring this down here. Let's on it again. We need this on top of this circle. Yeah, it's perfect now. So let's zoom this in again and check if this is okay. Now it's done there. So what else for us to do now is to copy this line and bring it down here. So let's click on this line, zooming out again. Let's copy and bring it down right here. Perfectly placed. So let's zoom out. We need this everything to be perfect. Done as well. So let's copy this line again and bring this down. Yeah, perfect. So the next thing is for us to draw another line. So let's go back to our line. So let's draw it this way. Done. So clicking on our selection tool again, let's bring this. We have to off our snapping, so as for this to give us a free to snap this by ourselves. So perfectly done. Now let's copy this again and bring this down right here. So done. So we have to select these two and bring them to the down. So you see that's why the selection tool is still selected. Okay, let's reselect this. We need the two of them. Okay, selected. So let's click on copy and bring this down right here, while both of them are still selected. So have the same size of this. Adjusting this again. The best is to do everything with ease, so we have a perfect C and arrow logo. Done. So going back to our shapes again, let's draw another line right here. Owning our snapping again, clicking on our selection tool, let's adjust this. Perfectly adjusted. Let's bring this here. Okay, great. Clicking on our shapes again, let's draw this and click on your selection tool. So let's bring this here perfectly and let's off our snapping again. I hope you are getting this. While doing this, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, or to this channel rather. Pardon, that was a mistake actually. And don't forget to like this video, and just kidding though. Oh, let's go again and get this done immediately within seconds. We should be done. And yes, we said we invested our time on this. And let's go back to our shapes again and draw the last line here. Perfect. So clicking on our selection tool, let's bring this here. Perfectly placed. So clicking on our selection tool, let's select everything. While everything is selected, let's go to our part builder. So yeah, this is the actual work. So let's zoom this out very well. Zoom. Okay, great. So this is it. Not done yet. Not done. Not done. You have to clear this. We need the eraser too. Let's clear this. Let's clear this. Let's clear this also. So let's bring this. Let's zoom this very well. And selecting the eraser tool again. Let's pick our pencil tool and redraw this line. Yeah, perfect. So let's click on our eraser tool and get this cleared. You don't need this. You don't need this. You don't need this. Done with that. So let's go again. Let's come to this side. And here we go. Oh, the eraser tool is still selected, so let's deselect it. Zoom this very well. Yeah, what we have the other time. So let's do this again. Cleared. So clicking on our pencil tool, let's draw this last line again, and using the eraser tool, let's get this cleared. Great. So we're done with the part builder tool. So the next step for us to do is to go back to our selection tool to have just our C and R logo, and right here we have it already. So the next step for us to do is let's go to our layers and hide the first layer which has the logo we used. It's been hidden already. So let's go back and click on this color. Let's select our color palette, clicking on this, and here we have a perfect color right here. Let's click on this cancel button and give it a color, and right here we have this. Click outside of the logo. Is this perfect? No. Let's select again, go back, and there is one thing. Did you know we can actually select the C and R separately? Oh, you don't know? Okay, we'll try that out right now, and here we go. Both selected already, so let's click on this R alone and come back to our color. Choosing from the color palette, let's pick this, and here we have this. So let's select both together. We want to remove the line, the grid line. So let's click on this and bring this to 0 and cancel, and here we have our perfect logo, the C plus R logo. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video if you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share. I'm Adeytife.